Okay. Or from Prince Nana, me wo dstv-decoder for Hama. Me bo vie da chro nyama sa koto dstv-decoder for na bo hu. Ndi se koto eko ani shop bia na koto dstv-decoder. Koto set na decoder no. Nyama unboxing no. Ibie da decoder we shim ni. Me she decoder nyama wo. The decoder ni small one. The decoder na chi nyama wo ni. LMB in. Your LMB in wa ha na de uke gu no be from dish na your USB in case there the driver lesa na your HDMI port separate connect my overall screen na pictures na back clear in case they use AV na use HDMI nti your AV port so a se bo use AV cable down video and audio cable na on so na that side na your adapter port hanu dey na dey adapter version na power. Okay, the nyama oda hu bi wo mfa nti HDMI cable counter da bi wo ma waton wo tumi yi frame nti edge box na ahwe me de bi wo ma HDMI cable na de bo connect am wo flash screen in case they need use AV cable na Neo AV cable way so. So use way go to use way. But so TV it's putting me down on the use way because on the flash screen no end me use HDMI no. HDMI near most no flash screen. Neo adapter. Ne charger the charge the power way no. Decoder. Honestly a 12 volts. No boxing. Then remote plus the battery. Remote, then the battery. Now manual. Into manual we so happy to install what that. But machine can. Most in our for koto adibia one can manual no. But we need short code. Na se bia pere payment wale tia dstv na adini na you read we yo nti ya moto ada mo kan na yi manual no kan na another manual we for remote pere hu remote ni mu keys na adina na wala e control wa dia na ahwe we do ahwe manual we na ntonchi. Okay, nti me channel subscribe ya na dey subscribe. Message on your memory how I be saying you store on and this subscribe and then be me Adam red no one and subscribe. Anytime the video go to Rihanna or send am one. The video no make sure they like. Okay.